Hey guys, Teacher Jeff here, and we today are going to the market for our English lesson. I hope you're ready, because we got to talk about some vegetables. Here we go. Whoa, Teacher Jeff. Boom, we got the bike ready. All right, let's go, boys and girls. Here we go on our mission to the market. Okay, boys and girls, make sure we look left and right. Here we go. Going to the market. Okay, hold on guys, we'll be right there. Oh, okay, it looks like we're here. Let's get inside. Boom, 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 Teacher Jeff. Whoa, let's park the scooter. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this. We got all sorts of things in this market. Lots of fruits. All right, let's get in there. Okay guys, Teacher Jeff here, and we're looking for some vegetables. Okay, we got some fruits. Now we're looking for some special vegetables for our day today. Let's see if we can find them. I think I am only seeing fruits here. Okay, boys and girls, let's see what we see. Oh, amazing. I see some things that we need. All right, boys and girls, can you tell me, what's this? You guessed it. That's a carrot. Can you tell me what color this is? Great job. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Whoa. Boom. What's that? Do you know what that is? You guessed it. That's a potato. Whoa. What color is that potato? Okay. Alright guys. Whoa. Here's another vegetable. Whoa, it's pretty big. What color is this? That's right, it's purple. And it's an eggplant. Can you guys say eggplant? Eggplant. Very good. Okay. Teacher Jeff, what else we got in here? Can we find some onions? Let's see, boys and girls. Let's see if you guys can help me find some onions. Dun 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 dun. Whoop. Looking for onions. Dun dun. Hey boys and girls, I found some onions. Let's check them out, okay? Whoop, there they are. You see those colorful onions? They look so nice. They're super small though. Okay, what else we got in here? Whoa, do you guys see these colorful things? Let's grab them, Teacher Jeff. What are those? Those are peppers. And what color are those peppers? Do you see some red ones? Orange? Or yellow? How many red ones do you see? How many orange? How many yellow? Okay, let's put those back. All right. What are the... Whoa! You guys know what those are? You guessed it. Those are corn. Do you like corn? Teacher Jeff likes corn. Wow, so many pieces of corn. Whoa. Okay. Can you guys say corn? Corn! Awesome job. Whoa. What's this again? We have 1, How many carrots are on the table? Good job, guys. That's too easy, Teacher Jeff. Those are 4. What about this vegetable? Do you guys know what that is? That's a cauliflower. Okay, boys and girls. Now, whoa, I got some different peppers over here. Look at these ones. Peppers come in all different shapes and sizes. Look at those peppers. You think those are spicy? I think so. Okay. Okay, guys, Teacher Jeff here. I got one of those peppers. Are we gonna try one of these? Teacher Jeff, might be a little spicy. I don't know. Let's see. What? Teacher Jeff. Super spicy. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next part of our lesson. Because Teacher Jeff needs to go get some water. Woo! Woo! Hey guys, Teacher Jeff here. And I'm with some of my friends. Can you see them back there? We got 2 cows. Can you see those cows? Okay, and look it, we even got a rooster. Wow, and a couple of hens. Okay, guys, in our last lesson, we talked about and had some tongue twisters. Can you remember those tongue twisters? Okay, let's practice and see how quick your tongue is. Let's do the one with how many sticks can a big chick kick? Okay? How many sticks can a big chick kick? 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 Okay. Whew, Teacher Jeff, too fast. Are you ready for the next one? How about, remember the 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep? Whoa, Teacher Jeff. Good thing you got your handy dandy paper. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. 6 sisters sings to 6 sick sheep. 6 sisters sings to 6 sick sheep. Teacher Jeff's tongue got twisted. Oh, maybe you guys are a little better than Teacher Jeff. Okay, how about this new one? I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Can you do that one? Let's try that again. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Whoa, Teacher Jeff, ice cream? Can you hear those roosters? Can you hear those chickens? Okay. I scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream. What, Teacher Jeff? I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. That is a great tongue twister. Okay, now, are you ready for the last and final one? Whoa, Teacher Jeff has some ants. What are these ants doing on Teacher Jeff? Ooh, ants in the pants. Okay, here. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Let's do that slower. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. What? Good job, boys and girls. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Very good work. Let me pause this lesson. We'll get on to the next part. Hey guys, let's take a second break and look and see our friends, the cows. You see them? What about that chicken over there? Pretty cool chickens. Okay, look at those. Another chicken with some baby chicks. You think we can go catch them? Let's try to get them with Teacher Jeff. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Here we are in Bali. Look at the little chicks. Okay, we try not to scare them. Okay? But they're chickens, so they'll be a little scared. See that little white one? Look at the little chicks. You hear the little chicks going with their mom? Okay, where are they going now? Look at, they're roaming all over the place. Okay, boys and girls, look at that little family. How many chicks do you see? Okay. There they go. Remember when I asked you why the chicken crossed the road? Look at all them crossing the road. Bye, guys. Teacher Jeff will see you later. Okay, guys, we got to get on to our next part of our lesson. Hey, guys. Teacher Jeff here. Are you ready for the next part of our lesson? Okay. So today, we talked about a lot of vegetables. Can you tell me some of those vegetables? You saw them in our video. Okay, now we have vegetables that grow above ground and some that grow under the ground. Okay? See this tree? This plant? It's above ground. That means you and me can see it. Okay, Teacher Jeff. And then under the ground is underneath this. Okay? Soil. Can you guys say soil? Soil. Very good. Can you think of vegetables that are above ground? Just like this plant? It's above ground. Take a second and think. Okay, above ground, you guys can find tomatoes, peppers, and seeds. What's that? Tomatoes, peppers, and seeds. Okay. What about below ground, boys and girls? Yep. Carrots, onions, and potatoes. All these we saw. Teacher Jeff couldn't find a tomato today, but he knows you guys know what a tomato is. What color is a tomato? That's right. It's red. Oh my gosh, Teacher Jeff is getting eaten by mosquitoes. Ah, the mosquitoes! Ooh! Okay, so before we go and before Teacher Jeff gets attacked by more mosquitoes, which vegetables are above ground and which ones are below ground? Above, below, under the ground. Okay? So we have, tomatoes, peppers, and seeds are above. Carrots, potatoes, and onions are underneath the ground. All right, guys, I got to get out of here because Teacher Jeff is getting eaten by mosquitoes. Woo! All right, guys, Teacher Jeff back, and we're going to talk about those vegetables above ground and underground. All right? Now, can you get a piece of paper, and we need to make a chart, just like Teacher Jeff. You guys think you can do that? I think you can. All right. Now, here we have above ground. Here we have underground, and you are going to make a T-shaped chart. Now, in these areas, I want you to put as many above ground and underground vegetables as you can. Now, Teacher Jeff will start one out for you. What's that, Teacher Jeff? What's this word, guys? That's right. Carrots. Carrots. Okay. What about this word? That's right. It's peppers. Okay, Teacher Jeff, I want you to work on this on your own. Whoa, Teacher Jeff, can you do that for me, guys? That would be great. Okay, I want you to put as many vegetables as you can. Some grow above ground, some grow below ground. Above and under. Okay, guys, see you soon. Whoop, whoop. All right, boys and girls, for the next part, can you turn to page 72 in your English book? 72. Great job. Can you see the picture with the boy and the girl and the puppy? It's hot out here in Indonesia, guys. Woo! Teacher Jeff's sweaty and he's got a mosquito bite. Those mosquitoes got Teacher Jeff. Now, what is the little girl doing? Can you tell me? Yes, she is picking tomatoes. What's the little boy doing? Yes, he is feeding the puppy a carrot. Or maybe, Teacher Jeff, he's just showing the puppy a carrot. Now, lots of vegetables are growing on this farm. Can you tell me what vegetables you see? Yes, we have carrots, onions, potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, and beans. Now remember, we made our chart. Do you remember your chart? Okay. Now, which grow above and under the ground? Now, this picture can help you if you need help finishing your chart. Okay? I want you to take your time and use your chart and this picture to finish the exercise. Okay, boys and girls? Good luck and have some fun. Whoop, whoop. Hey guys, Teacher Jeff back, and for the last part of our episode, we are going to look on page 72. And do you see that jar? Teacher Jeff sees that jar. Okay, hold on one second. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, Teacher Jeff back. Now, I want you guys, we are going to grow a bean plant. What are you going to need? You're going to need the things on that picture. 1, you're going to need a jar. 2, you're going to need some soil. Whoop. And 3, you're going to need a bean. Okay, guys, we got all those things. And what is your plant bean going to need? That's right. It's going to need sunlight and water. Okay? All right, boys and girls. Now, let's go over some of that vocabulary on page 72. It is bean plant vocabulary. Leaf. That's right. Repeat after me. Leaf. Stem. Seed. Seed. Roots. Roots. All right, boys and girls, I want you to try your best, and I want you to grow a bean. You're going to need help from Mom and Dad to make a bean, okay? All right, guys, we'll see you later. Woo! Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to let Narco, the English dog, tell you the homework, okay? Narco here. Are you ready for do some homework? Okay, I want you to grow your own bean, okay? Now, I want you to draw and label it. Write about the bean plant. Remember that vocabulary? Leaf, stem, root. Do you guys remember those? I want you to label your bean plant. Okay, boys and girls, that's the homework. I want you to get a jar and I want you to grow it. Okay. Did you guys hear Narco? Okay, I want you, Teacher Jeff and Narco wants you to grow a bean plant. And we want you to draw your bean plant and label it with the vocabulary you learned. Okay, boys and girls, till next time, bye, teachers. Teacher Jeff says bye, and bye, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.